Something strange happened to my shoe. Look. Oh, look. Stuff that came that's Cooper's.
It's for us. I thought it was for us. I thought maybe you would want to open it.
Oh, okay. Thanks. I'll open it. What day is it?
Today is January 16th, 2019. We asked for a meat grinder for Christmas, and it's been a long time coming. So we got it from All Points. Dorothea Patterson in Chicago got me a Hobart industrial meat grinder.
I'm going to open it. And it's to go with the giant mixing thing that Cooper recycled from the work cafeteria.
Yeah. I adopted it. They abandoned it. Orphan.
Hi, Bo. Okay, I'm just going to open them both, and then we can have our special time. Is this for Dad?
Yeah.
Okay, hi, Dad.
Hi, Chris.
Okay, I'll open the large one first.
Sorry, I'm struggling with the framing of the shot. I'll try to not make everybody nauseous.
Oh,
Yes, bubble wrap.
a list of stuff.
That should be the packing slip and return label if we want to.
These things.
Those are special washers, friction gaskets.
This.
What is that?
This. This. This.
Oh, all the knives.
This. That's what extrudes where the meat, the ground meat comes out. This is a really big one.
I think that one's for stuffing the sausages.
Oh,
The biggest one.
okay. Then this. Oh, this is the thing that you push the meat down in.
Yeah, a pusher.
Oh, it's got a lot of room around here.
I think that's good so it doesn't get suction like on Michael Cars, like pulling.
It's gonna get suction anyway. Anyway, that's it.
That's that. Same step pan and the pusher.
Then there's this. Oh my gosh, this is heavy. This comes with this thing that we shouldn't lose.
Oh.
This thing. Dang. That's gonna make a lot of sausage. A lot of ground meat. So this goes like this. No, there's probably the screw is somewhere. Okay. Then there's this. Not sure what that is yet. But it came with more of these.
Yeah, that should be the 1/4 inch. We didn't have 1/4 inch, so
Oh, that is smaller.
the only one it came with was 1/4 inch.
No, this is the screw thing.
Oh, good.
This thing goes inside. So this goes inside here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Then these chopper things, they go on here.
Mm-hmm.
And then this goes on here. You can put it either way that you want. And then you put the meat. And then that's how you get your ground meat.
Yeah.
And then this connects to the giant mixer that Cooper got from, oh. Well, they didn't want it anymore.
They didn't.
Okay. Wow, amazing. Amazing discoveries. Okay, now what's in here?
That one was labeled Illinois, so I imagine it's the sausage tubes.
Oh, it is.
2 sizes. Those look like the same size.
Well, I don't know. There's this
Oh.
one also.
What the heck?
I don't know.
Okay. Cool. A spare of that big one.
Is that smaller?
They're all 3 the
They're
same
all
size.
Might have to check that later.
Okay, I'll check
Okay.
that later.
That's what we got.
That's the meat grinder.
Thanks, Dad. Thanks for our Christmas presents.
Thanks, Chris. Thank you very much.
Thanks, Dad. Thanks for our Christmas present.
Bye.
Bye.